Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add company email in Outlook. It's really simple and easy. Firstly, you need to go and open up Outlook. Then what you need to do is go to the top left and tap on File just like so. Then make sure Info selected, which should be by default. And as you can see here, we've got this option Add Account. It's going to have an add account like so. What you need to do is enter an email address. Now don't worry, it doesn't have to be an Outlook email, it could be literally anything. I'm going to add my company email here, and after entering the email you have to tap on this connect at the bottom. You can always go and look at the advanced option as well to go manually set it up, but personally I just use the automatic option. So go ahead and tap connect like this. It's not going to take a moment to load and you are going to get pop-up like this. Because I'm using a Gmail account, I got this pop-up here, but if you are using a Yahoo, you've got to get a Yahoo pop-up. It's all going to vary on your provider. Then go and tap on next. After you have already entered your password, you can go and tap on sign in, and it's going to take a moment and you may need to do like a quick verification on the app like I've got to now. So I just went into the verification, and then what you need to do is going to allow access to your account. Tap on allow. You've got allow them to send emails and things like that. And now your account successfully added in Outlook. So that's how you can add email account to Outlook. So that's how to add email account to Outlook. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.